Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make sure your inverter coolant pump is working in your Prius C. This video applies to 2012 to 2018 Prius Cs. This particular vehicle that I'm going to be showing you on is a 2015 Prius C. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright guys, so first you want to make sure the car is in the ready position. This here is the inverter coolant reservoir, and this is the inverter. So to make sure the inverter coolant pump is working, you can touch this hose here and just feel it. It should be vibrating. Or if you apply pressure and squeeze it, it should make the inverter pump make a louder noise. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, there wasn't a lot to that, so go ahead and check out my other Prius C videos and hopefully they can help you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.